Hello everyone, my name is Kunal Rathod. I am from Prestige Institute of Management, Gwalior itself. Now, my topic is demand forecasting, and my teammates are Chitesh Srivastava, Nakul Singh Chauhan, and Shivam Sanger, and Dheeraj Rathod, and me. I start my topic demand forecasting. Demand forecasting means expectation about future in the market for the demand. A forecasting is a prediction or a estimate of a future situation under given conditions. The and conditions are these and forecast forecasting can be broadly classified into two categories: passive forecasting and active forecast. Now, passive forecast where product prediction are based on future is based on the assumption that the firm does not change the course of its actions. Active forecast where forecasting is done under the conditions of likely future change in the action by the firm. Types of demand forecasting: very first is short term and second is long term. Now my friends start that.
So my topic is demand forecasting categories. First, passive forecast, where prediction about future based on the assumption that the firm does not change the course of its action. And second, active forecast, where forecast is done under the condition of likely future changes in the action by firm. And generally there are the types of demand forecasting are just two types. First is short term forecasting and second is long term forecasting. So what is short term forecasting? It normally related to a period not exceeding a year, which was not exceeding like 1 year. Benefit of short term forecasting is drafting of productive policies, determining prices policy, fixation of sales targets, and etc. And long term forecasting, it refers to forecast prepared for a long period during which the firm's scale of operation or the production capacity may be expanded or reduced. And what is sources of data? So the sources of data are primary data and secondary data. Which primary data are the data which are collected for the first time for the purpose of analysis, and the secondary data those which are obtained from the someone else recorded. That's all about me. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Shivam Kumar. The topic of my presentation is demand forecasting. Components of demand forecasting system: market research operation to procedure relevant and reliable information about the trends in market. Second one is a data processing analyzing system to estimate and evaluate the sales performance in various markets. Next one is proper coordination of step 1 and step 2 above. Next one is placing the finding before the top management for making final decision. Next point, use and importance of demand forecasting. Use and importance of demand forecasting: production of planning, sales forecasting, control of business, inventory control, growth and long-term investment program, economic planning and policy making, avoiding surplus and inadequate production, quality and quantity control. Next topic is sources of data. And techniques of demand forecasting. Survey method. First one is consumer survey. Opinion poll method. Complete enumeration sample survey. In opinion poll method. Expert opinion, market studies and study and experiment. Expert opinion, Delphi method. Market test or laboratory